Linux Lite is the best lightweight Linux distribution. It is based on Ubuntu and Debian-based operating system. In this video, we will install it on my laptop. Let's see how I install it on my laptop. If you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to stay connected with my latest videos. First, download the ISO image from the official site. Link is in my description box. Now, create a bootable pen drive. To create a bootable pen drive, we need Roughus. Put a minimum of 8 GB pen drive. Now double-click to open Roughus. Here click on Select and select the ISO image. Now click on Start to start the process. Here select DD image mode and click OK. It will take to make my pen drive to bootable. Here it done. Unplug the pen drive and plug it in your laptop where you want to install. OK, now open BIOS and select the bootable pen drive. Now click on Install Linux Lite now. Here select the language. Uncheck Download Updates while installing Linux. Here check the box to install third-party software. Click on Erase Disk and install Linux. Now click Install Now. Here select the location and continue. Here type your username and password for your usage. Click Continue. Now here the installation started. It will take me 25 to 30 min to complete. Now click on Restart Now. This is the complete installation process. If you want to run it on your Virtualbox, follow these steps. Open Virtualbox. Click New. Here input name, type, and version. Click Next. Select the memory size. Here select the hard disk size. Now click Create to create. Click on Settings. Click Network and select Bridge Adapter. Now click Storage and insert the ISO image. Now start it. Here all processes are totally similar. Follow them. The most important thing is here. Install Guestbox. Before that, first update it. OK, update using sudo command. Now click on Devices. Click on Insert Guest Editions CD image. Open the disk image. Here open the terminal. Now type ls to check existing files. Type sudo su to give superuser permission. Here type // and the file name to install Guestbox. Now reboot. Here you see the screen changed. If you have any queries, write below in my comment.